remember, when you subscribe to our channel, click on the red subscribe button and be sure to ring the bell so you get notified every time we have a new video. Thanks again.
This is my son Bradley. Bradley has been around the shop his whole life. He actually was part of our very first shipping department. He knows his way around Stone Coat Countertops. So we're going to show you that a 13-year-old and his dad can do this together, okay? What color would you pick in your own house right now to cover up your old countertops?
Tropical turquoise.
Okay, tropical turquoise. The pearl. That is very popular. There you go. What is this? You got red translucent. We got blue and red. Holy cow, we got quite the palette so far. I like it. Heck yeah. We got seaside, we got gold, we got red, blue, we got tropical turquoise and pearl. Here we go. We're in Vegas. I'm going to add some stuff to this. Since we're in Vegas, we're going to go diamond dust because diamond dust blings it and sings it, okay? We're also going to go clay metallic, and I'm going to pick, there's white, black. Okay, so we got our color palette. Hey guys, stick around. At the end of the video, if you're new to epoxy, we have some bonus content that's going to answer some frequently asked questions. So stick to the end and see what we got in store. We'll see you there. I'm going to pour this out. So, Bradley, I'm going to pour half of this, and then you're going to pour half of this in each step. We're going to do a wandering ring pour. Okay, Brad, when I pour it out, I don't pour fast. Okay? And I'm just going to do this. Okay?
All right.
I'm going to stop halfway. Okay, start here and go halfway, all right? Just giving it another look, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now I want you to do that right here too. What I just did, all the way down. You got to stretch it out. Make sure we have enough. Oh yeah, give it up for Boomy, man.
Stone Coat Countertops, you got this.
Great comment. We got a great comment. Kaylee asks, quick question. We just finished our countertops 2 days ago. Congratulations. And she says, when and what can I clean with? You know, we have a cleaner called Liquid Smooth. It's what we finish all of our projects with to wipe the dust and make the countertop feel slick as glass. You can also use any non-abrasive cleaner from your big box store, from your hardware store. So that's the pro tip, and that's how you clean like a pro. And since we're here, let's get to the question of the day. I'm curious. Let me know in the comments. I love that you incorporated the audience. That color turned out fantastic. Or option B, that was a swing and a miss. Those colors are garbage. Let me know in the comments below. Option A, I loved it. Option B, swing and a miss.
Bonus content.
If you were remodeling your own kitchen countertops, you could actually do this over existing concrete countertops as a concrete overlay. You can do this over laminate, corian, cultured marble, natural stone. You can even do this over plywood. This substrate right here is MDF. It has 2 coats of paint and primer in one, and that's all we did. We rolled that on with a paint roller. We sanded the edges so that it was somewhat smooth, and then we're gonna make this look like natural stone. The process is simple. The first coat is all colors. It's color additives, and it's metallic magic. We actually add different additives to fight one another. They don't want to mix, and that chemistry mimics Mother Nature by the looks that you see. All the products that you see during this live demo are available at stonecoatcountertops.com.